Hey y'all, it's Kasia, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I did this 5x5 lace install glueless as a side part. The hair came from Asteria hair. I'm going to leave the link to the hair down below with all the specs, but it is a HD lace, 22 inches, which it looked way longer, medium size cap, and it's 180 density. This is what the wig looked like fresh out the pack. It had 3 combs, 2 on each side and 1 in the back. I actually kept the combs in this time. It came with two elastic bands, 1 full one and then 1 adjustable one, and that's pretty much it. It's body wave as well. So I'm using some bleaching powder and some 30 volume developer and some indigo blue Adore hair color to bleach the knots on my lace. I'm using 2.5 scoops of the bleaching powder, and then I think I used 4 spoonfuls of the 30 volume developer and a half a spoon of the hair color, and I mixed it up. I only used 2 right here, but I ended up adding another 2. So yeah, I usually never give measurements, but I'm trying to give y'all measurements this time to help y'all out a little bit.
Tell him he's all you see. Tell him you got his keys, cause you thought he needed them, but he's not coming back again. So he's gone, leaving then. You won't see him again. It was convenient, but you won't be staying friends. And you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take backs, but there's no refunds here. So you sorta hurt, it makes you see clear that you were just lost. But now you're found and you realize.
Okay, so once you're done spreading the bleach all over the lace, you're just gonna cover it up and leave it for about 20 minutes. I left mine for 20 minutes. Once you do that, you're gonna wash all the bleach out, and then I make up a blue shampoo. So I use the same blue color with a clarifying shampoo. I was gonna try to measure the shampoo at first, but it wasn't working out. Okay. So basically, the way that you just check to make sure that your lace won't stain is once you mix your color in with your shampoo, you just rub it on your skin and make sure it doesn't bleach. If it doesn't, not bleach, stain. If it doesn't stain your skin, then it won't stain your lace. So then you just go and you put it on there basically the same way that you put on the bleach on your lace, but you just cover it completely. And keep in mind, it is thinner, so you know you got to move a little swift because it will seep all the way through the lace, and then you won't have as much product as you thought you was gonna have. But yeah, anyway, after I spread it all on there, I let that sit for another 15 minutes, and then I wash my wig and let it dry.
Wasted all your time. You didn't even like him in real life. He said he thought it would be nice if we went for a ride. And
okay, so at this point, I am plucking my closure. I put it on my mannequin head to the side, like how I planned on wearing it. I would recommend putting it on your head, parting it out, and then putting it on the mannequin head. That would make it much easier because I ended up having to repart it after I already had it on my head. But anyway, parting it in the style that you're going to wear it in will help a lot when it comes to plucking, because if you pluck it straight back, or you pluck it, say for instance, for a middle part, it's not going to look right in a side part. I hope that makes sense. But basically, whatever style you plan on wearing it in, pluck it in that style so that you'll know that it'll look right, or it'll look how you want it to look. But anyway, I'm just making parts and then plucking behind the part to thin out the hairline, then pulling a piece of hair back and plucking on top, like how it would be if you just had the wig on. I'm gonna let y'all watch the video because I don't know if I'm explaining this properly, but pretty much I just plucked one side, then plucked the other. Super simple.
And you know that, sweetie, you know that. And you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take backs, but there's no refunds here. So you saw the hurt, it makes you see clear. You were just lost, you were just lost. But now you found, and you realize he wasn't at all like what you created.
Okay, so now I'm just going to be sticking down my cap. You don't have to use the cap, but because I didn't put my part in my natural hair where I want the part on the wig to actually sit, it was just best that I did the ball cap method. So I just stuck it down with the Eben lace, whatever, Eben spray, whatever, the red can. And then I put some makeup. I'm using Toffee by LA Girl Pro Conceal. And then I'm just going to be using the eyebrow razor to cut off that excess cap. And I am going to be using liquid gold from the hair diagram, I believe. Boho? Yeah. Boho, the hair diagram, same place. It's called liquid gold. It is a glueless, like, it's not an adhesive. It's a glueless product that you can use to lay your wigs down. It's not harsh, it don't itch, it don't cause no irritation to your skin. I actually really love it. This was my first time using it in this video. So definitely check that out if you have sensitive skin, or you're one of those people that like to take your wigs off every night, or you only, wear your wigs for a couple of days at a time. I had my wig on for about 3 days, and honestly, if it wasn't for me sweating terribly, I probably could have kept it on longer. But it comes off with the water. Yeah, and I used 2 layers, but I think you only have to use 1. So I just put it on how I would put on lace glue. I just went on, put it on, smoothed it out, and blow dried it a little bit on like the cool setting, and stuck my wig on top of it. It was super easy to put on. It wasn't messy at all. I really love the product. I highly recommend.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen.
Okay, so now that those layers of the liquid gold have pretty much dried, I'm just going to be placing the wig right on top of where I put the liquid gold at, and just sticking it right in.
That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you, 'cause we gotta go our own way. Gotta go our own way. Yeah, this was not a good stay. Gotta go our own way, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. a chase. Now there's nothing here for me.
Okay, so now that I've repositioned my part and flattened my wig out, I'm going to be cutting my baby hair. This part is super simple. I'm just cutting it with an eyebrow razor. I decided I wanted it a little bit shorter, so I cut some more. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my mini flat iron to curl it. And I'm going to be using some spritz holding spray to like slick down my baby hair. And that's pretty much it.
I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. 'Cause gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Sometimes. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow.
Okay, so you don't have to do this, but I did want to add like sideburns because I wanted it to have more of like a frontal look. But honestly, it would have just been fine if I only had just like the piece of baby hair right there without adding any like sideburns or anything. But I just wanted that look. So the liquid gold did flake a little bit because it got mixed in with the spritz. So keep in mind the products that you use together may cause like your product to turn a little white, but I just used a little bit of alcohol and it went away. And then I was able to continue working with it. I did use the alcohol and it caused it to lift a little bit, so I just went ahead, wiped it, reapplied a little bit of the product and stuck it back down. And I also plucked a little bit right there too, so it would have probably came up whether I used the alcohol or not. But it was really a really simple fix, so don't let that deter y'all. I wish this was sponsored because it ain't. Well, it's sponsored by the hair video, but not by the lace company. So I mean the boho company. So let me stop talking about their product so much. Anyways, I'm gonna pluck it, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna put a little bit of the even spray, and I'm gonna put a elastic band, and then I'm gonna flat iron my hair completely, and that'll pretty much be it for the look. I'm gonna come back to y'all at the end once I'm finished styling and it's looking all good or whatever.
Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret everything. So I let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for her. And if it's what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you. Miss that smile, Lord knows I ain't seen that in a while, but it's your style, so something must.
Okay, so now that it's all done, y'all can see that it's giving very much scalp, it's giving frontal, it's giving everything it's supposed to give. And I love the hair. Do y'all see how sleek it came out after flat ironing it? And I did like a ghetto flat iron, like a bogus flat iron. I ain't really go through it like I should have, but it came out so good. I could swoop it behind my ear and give this look. Yes, bomb. Highly recommend. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Bye.